On the first day of Christmas, Thomas gave to you waffle flour media mat.
On the second day of Christmas, Brenda gave to you a cricket trimmer and replacement blades. On the third day of Christmas, Lacey gave to you a mini scoreboard and tools.
On the fourth day of Christmas, Vinny gave to you 4 Nouveau confetti glitter packs.
On the fifth day of Christmas, Josh gave to you 5 golden things.
On the sixth day of Christmas, Amanda gave to you 6x6 paper pads.
On the seventh day of Christmas, Amber gave to you Nouveau Aquaflow pens.
On the 8th day of Christmas, Shannon gave to you an 8-piece embossing kit.
On the 9th day of Christmas, Mandy gave to you 9 distress oxides.
On the 10th day of Christmas, Bubble and Squeak gave to you 10 Versify Claire ink pads.
On the 11th day of Christmas, Tennille gave to you 11 Nouveau markers.
On the 12th day of Christmas, Maymay gave to you 12 monogram stamp sets of your choice. From the Maymay crew to you,
Merry Christmas!